Hi, this is Lisa, and I'd like to tell you about our product. Our cervical pull neck straps come in a soft, washable cotton fleece material or iridescent durable nylon. It's a classic design in several attractive colors. We also carry a safety high pull strap. It's made out of extra heavy webbing construction for sturdy dependability. All our straps are designed for the use with safety system release modulars. We also provide carry bags. These carry bags are made out of a strong material that's the same as the JanSport backpack. It's durable, washable, and it's a fabric in coordinating colors with the headgear. Doctors prefer our cervical straps that are produced out of a fleece material because they have proven to prevent rashes, unlike other straps on the market, therefore increasing patient cooperation. OrthoStrap is committed to quality and 100% customer satisfaction at a competitive price.